Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Becca. I hope you all are doing amazing. For today's video, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Another thing I love apart from hairstyling products, it's skincare products. So I decided to show you two face masks. So I'm gonna be actually trying this one for the first time, and this one I have already used several times and I love it. That's why I decided to try this one. They both are from the same company, which is called the same brand. It's called Majestic Pure. So this is a Dead Sea mud mask infused with lavender oil. So I'll apply this one first, and then after I'm gonna apply this one, which is the one that I've used several times. So this is a 24 karat gold mask. This one is pretty good. I really like it a lot because it's a wrinkle moisturizer and a cleanser. So I have super sensitive skin and dry. I'm constantly looking for products that will help moisturize and that don't irritate my skin. And after applying this one, you can totally see the difference in your skin. It's like a lot more hydrated, it looks plump. Overall, it's pretty amazing. So I want to try this one. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this brush. I just set it aside especially for face masks and things like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna give it 5 minutes, and I was reading the instructions, so it says that after applying this, after removing the face mask, you can go ahead and apply some moisturizing. So I think it'll work perfect to moisturize my skin. So we'll see the final results. So I just keep on watching. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. This is the first time that I apply a face mask like this one and the whole face. I typically go for like a specific section. So we'll see how it goes. This is my face after washing out the face mask. This one, it just feels like super clean and soft, which I think it's pretty good. So I think so far so good. I'm gonna use it in a couple of days just to make sure that my skin is reacting okay, and then I'll be able to use it weekly, I think, most likely. But I definitely like it. So now I'm gonna be applying this one. Like I said before, I've used it many times and I am obsessed with it. It makes a huge difference in your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Finished applying this face mask, and now I'm gonna give it 25 minutes for it to work in my skin. And meanwhile, I'm gonna drink some coffee and listen to some podcasts. I've been enjoying listening to podcasts, so if you have any suggestions, please let me know. So I'll be right back after removing the face mask to just show you my skin. But this one is pretty nice because it's just like super refreshing. I really love that this face mask doesn't have a scent, which is pretty amazing. Okay, so I'll be right back to show you how my skin looks. So this is my face after applying the face mask. It feels really amazing because it's like super soft, hydrated. I am definitely gonna keep using that combination. I feel that both masks complement each other. One helps to clean my skin, and then the other one moisturizes, which I think it's perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye.